Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can comment on issues and sub-issues in your GitHub repository in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project inside your repository on GitHub, and I will go with this example sub-issue here. Click into it and you can leave comments basically, or add comments to any issue you like, be it sub-issue, parent issue, or item. Simply click into that field here and below add a comment and write your comment. Comment here, for example. And then guys, you may, for example, attach files to your comments, like PDF instructions for co-editors. You may, of course, also customize and format your text by converting your text into a heading, by applying bold letters, by using italic letters, by, for example, you may skip to the next line and add a quote or an embedded code, or add a numbered list, and so on and so forth. And if you'd like to mention someone in your comments, let me skip to the next line and press mention, and then simply navigate to or enter the username you would like to mention. And that's it. Post your comment by clicking into this button and you will see your comment here, the author, and you may, for example, click into these three dots to report the comment, to delete it, to edit it, to quote it as a reply, or your co-editors will of course have the opportunity to leave comments within the issue as well if they have been invited to your project. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.